I can't hear you. Are you at the music store now? Oh, you're at the music store already. You already at the music store. I said you're at the music store already. Okay. So the balance on now 560, right? Just to catch it? Yeah, okay.
Just a little video.
Yeah. All right, well, that's what they do, man. 5 what? Okay, all right. Well, I just left the attorney's office, the attorney general's office, to get my money back, my rent money back. So he says it looks good, so they're gonna let me know next week. He said it takes 4 to 5 business days. So I should know. And he said that their law firm, they can't make anybody do anything. You know what I mean? But they can, they can advocate for me. The attorney general, that's state. They have some kind of pull. They have some kind of power. Okay, man. All right, tell Larry I'll give him a call later on. Alright, then have a list of the names of the songs, so you read it to me and I can tell you which ones I know and which ones I don't know. Okay, that way he can tell me a list and I can write down whatever I don't know, I can get it up there. Alright, bye. How can I be behind? How can I be behind? I think he said that I'm tired of getting my money back. He said they can't make it, they can advocate for me, and then if they don't, money will go from there. So he said it takes 4 to 5 days. I give him my number and your number. And we're going to, one that's going to advocate for me, that's going to call me and ask me questions. Contact the owner's building.
You know what I was gonna do that, but
So,
I
don't think I was sending me back there. He sent me back here.
I didn't want to delete.
North Quincy the car from
And anything I do on fire, get me warm, so I'll figure that out one
thing is they start like, and then it's like, it's already small. I didn't want to like start getting too full of conversation with her.
It said that, it said it for a reason. The woman read that to me. Oh, you did? When I told you, she wasn't speaking in tongues, she just